Yiwu Rhoda Commodity Company Limited, established in the year 2012, is a professional factory engaged in the research, development, sale and service of laundry bag, travel bag, storage box, cosmetic bag, and shopping bag. This factory located in Yiwu City, China, and the workshop cover over 4,000 cubic meters. The factory have dozens of workers and over 20 sewing machines, 1 cutting machine, and 1 needle detecting machine. With export license, the factory export products to US, Germany, France, South Korea, Japan, and many other countries. Their products gain wide praises at home and abroad. This factory has BSCI certificate under their own name. With rich experience in the household industry, the factory follows strictly standard to control the product quality. In the factory, they have over 10 experienced sales workers with years of export working experiences, and they can always offer prompt reply and avoid risk advice to customers. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, this factory have a good reputation among their customers because of their perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. Whether selecting a current product from the catalog or seeking engineering assistance for customer application, customer can talk to sales staffs about sourcing requirements. They can always offer professional advice and make a competitive offer accordingly. At last, they will follow up time to time to make sure there is after-sale service.